One number about energy changes everything. Electricity saves water. That sounds backwards, I know. Power plants are giant water guzzlers. Cooling towers, steam cycles, massive evaporation. Efficiency here means saving water upstream. A smarter motor isn't just a kilowatt game, context shifts the trade-off. Solar farms in the desert. Dry cooling cuts water use 90%. That's an energy penalty, about 2% to 5% less output. Smart call in Arizona. Dumb call in Seattle. Location is the real variable, not the tech label. Here's the core insight. Every efficiency gain has a hidden resource cost. LED bulbs use less power. Their manufacturing requires more water for silicon purification. Approximate optimal solution. Calculate the local water energy nexus first. Not the global average. Second insight. Water conservation isn't always green. Low-flow fixtures reduce household use. They shift load onto wastewater treatment plants. More energy per gallon processed. You just outsourced the trade-off to a different grid. Winner takes all rarely works for finite resources. Third insight. Policy overfits one metric. EPA pushes Energy Star. WaterSense focuses on gallons. They rarely talk. Real optimization needs a combined score. Think carbon cost of water plus water cost of energy. That's the metric you never see on a label. Fourth insight. The rebound effect is real. More efficient cooling means cheaper data centers. Cheaper data centers mean more AI training runs. Each run burns both water and energy. Conservation gain gets eaten by scale. You're running faster on a treadmill of efficiency. Fifth insight. The trade-off vanishes with context-aware design. CogCloud maps this for production workflows. Water-to-energy ratio per hour. A single dashboard. You stop guessing. You start trading with clarity. One number replaces 100 spreadsheets. Question for you. Would you accept a 5% energy penalty to cut data center water use in half? Drop your answer below.